back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate that. So today, like I said yesterday, I worked on these lights on the ceiling. So hanging these on jack chain right there. The MC going up, zip tied. So I just ran the switch legs down the wall. So going to and hanging some of these boxes that weren't there. So that's what we got going on there. And then in the room next door, let's go over there. So we got this one over here with all the feeder MCs. Going into the, I forgot what these are called, oh my gosh. Meter boxes or whatnot. Meter packs, that's what they're called. So hung a strut across these two struts just to the center of the room, and then did a little couple pieces of jack chain right there just to hang the monkey arm, and then ran the MC across the top down the wall. On the back side, this one didn't have a box, and we didn't have a mud ring to cut in because I don't know the interior depths, even though they already have the sheetrock on the wall, so we'll just wait on that. Otherwise I would have cut a circle in here and mounted a box backwards or whatnot, stuck a box here and then put a spreader bar and mounted the spreader bar backwards, but for now I just left the wire in the wall. And then lastly, well not lastly, but did another light over here in this room. They have to put the wall behind this HVAC or whatnot, but that's where the wall's gonna be. But then hung another one here on the jack chain right there, and then a few more downstairs that I'll show you as I go downstairs in a second. Alright guys, then downstairs on the 4th floor where I started today, this is the second light that I worked on, which was fun to get up in between that little crack right there with the ladder. Luckily I had a 10-foot ladder. I was going to drive a lift in there, which would have been a nightmare, but luckily I found a 10-foot ladder I could borrow from another trade, and then I worked on mounting a few more boxes and pulling the switch legs. And then yesterday, this light that I finished zip tying up to the all thread and then down the wall. That's pretty much going to wrap it up, guys. So if you enjoyed the video today, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow. I'm going to try to answer some of your guys' comments from a long time ago that I haven't gotten to yet. Thanks, guys. Peace out.